Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, mud guards, speed control, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.